to everyone. Welcome you to Student Kaksh. My name is Ammu Rana and we are representing the MCQs that has been asked in previous year examination of NEET, IIT-JEE, CBSE, ICSE and state boards. We mainly emphasize toward NCERT. Today we are going to deal with the chapter Life Process, subject Science, class 10th. We are having three teams, team A, B and C. Team A participants are Samir and Amit. Team B participants are Isha and Kajal. Team C participants are Ankush and Rajesh. Let me tell you the rules of this quiz. We will play 2 rounds. In the first round, I will ask 3 questions to each team. 10 marks will be given for the right answer. The round 2 is the tapping round. The one who tapped first on the bench will allowed to give us the answer. There will be negative marking as well. 5 marks will be deducted for the wrong answer. 10 marks will be given for the right answer. So let's get started. And the question first goes to team A. Arteries and veins are connected by a network of extremely narrow tubes called. And the options are A. Sheave tubes, B. Capillaries, C. Vena cava, D. Valves.
Sir, option B, capillaries.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Option B, capillaries, is the right answer. Give them a huge round of applause. Actually, blood capillaries are vessels that connects arteries and veins, helps in blood circulation. And the next question goes to team B. Which among of the following is necessary to carry out the blood coagulation in a cut or wound? And the options are A. White blood cells, B. Blood plasma, C. Platelets, D. Red blood cells.
Option C, platelets.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Option C, platelets, is the right answer. Give them a huge round of applause. Actually, whenever we get any kind of injury or cut, so platelets help in blood coagulation. And the next question goes to team C. Which among the following procedures used for cleaning the blood of a person by separating the waste substance from it? And the options are A. Kidney transplant, B. Blood transfusion, C. Dialysis, D. Hydrolysis.
Option C, dialysis.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Option C, dialysis, is the correct answer. Give them a huge round of applause. Actually, dialysis is the procedure of detoxifying the blood by isolating the waste and unwanted constituents in it. And the next question goes to team A. Glomerular filtration is possible because. And the options are A. Afferent arteriole has less diameter than the efferent arteriole, B. Afferent arteriole has more diameter than the efferent arteriole, C. Both have the same diameter, D. Afferent capillaries have more diameter than efferent capillaries.
Sir, option D.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Option D is the wrong answer, and the correct answer is option B. Actually, afferent arteriole has more diameter than efferent arteriole. This causes high pressure. As a result, glomerular filtrate enters into Bowman capsule. This glomerular filtrate contains urea, glucose, amino acid, etc. And the next question goes to team B. What prevents backflow of blood inside the heart during contraction? And the options are A. Valves in heart, B. Thick muscular walls of ventricles, C. Thin walls of atria, D. All of the above.
Valves in heart.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Option A, valves in heart, is the correct answer. Give them a huge round of applause. Actually, we are having 4 valves in our heart: tricuspid valve, bicuspid or mitral valve, pulmonary semilunar valve, aortic semilunar valve. These valves prevent backflow of blood inside the heart during contraction. And the next question goes to team C. In which part of the alimentary canal food is finally digested? And the options are A. Stomach, B. Mouth cavity, C. Large intestine, D. Small intestine.
Option D, small intestine.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Option D, small intestine, is the correct answer. Give them a huge round of applause. Actually, the small intestine is the site of complete digestion of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. It receives the secretion of the liver and pancreas for this purpose. And the next question goes to team A. Lack of oxygen in muscle often leads to cramp among cricketers. This results due to, and the options are A. Conversion of pyruvate to ethanol, B. Conversion of pyruvate to glucose, C. Non-conversion of glucose to pyruvate, D. Conversion of pyruvate to lactic acid.
Sir, option D, pyruvate convert to lactic acid.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Option D, conversion of pyruvate to lactic acid, is the correct answer. Give them a huge round of applause. Actually, in muscle cells, when lack of oxygen is present, so pyruvate, instead of going to Krebs cycle or electron transport chain, it gets converted into lactic acid. So this leads to pain in muscles. And the next question goes to team B. Choose the correct path of urine in our body. Option A, kidney, ureter, urethra, urinary bladder. B, kidney, urinary bladder, urethra, ureter. C, kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. D, urinary bladder, kidney, ureter, urethra.
Option C.
Option C, it means kidney, then ureter, then urinary bladder, then urethra.
Yes, sir.
Option C is the correct answer. Give them a huge round of applause. And the next question goes to team C, which is the first enzyme to mix with food in the digestive tract. And the options are A. Pepsin, B. Cellulose, C. Amylase, D. Trypsin.
Option C, amylase.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Option C, amylase, is the correct answer. Give them a huge round of applause. Actually, amylase is present in the saliva of human, secreted by salivary glands, which is having the capability to convert starch into simpler sugars. Now, round 1 has been finished. We are looking toward the scores. Team A got 20 marks. Team B got 30 marks. Team C also got 30 marks. Now we are moving toward the round 2. This is the tapping round. The one who tap first on the bench will allot to give us the answer. And the next question goes to all the participants. During respiration, exchange of gases takes place in. And the options are A. Trachea and larynx, B. Alveoli of lungs, C. Alveoli and throat, D. Throat and larynx. Okay, team C, you tap first on the bench. So I am repeating options once again. A. Trachea and larynx, B. Alveoli of lungs, C. Alveoli and throat, D. Throat and larynx.
Option B, alveoli of lungs.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Option B, alveoli of lungs, is the correct answer. Give them a huge round of applause. Actually, within the lungs, the bronchi divides into bronchioles, and the bronchioles finally terminate in balloon-like structure called alveoli, which provides a larger surface area where the exchange of gases can take place. So, and the next question goes to all the participants. In humans, urea is formed in, and the options are A. Ureter, B. Liver, C. Spleen, D. Kidney. And the options are A. Ureter, B. Liver, C. Spleen, D. Kidney.
Sir, option B, liver.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Option B, liver, is the correct answer. Give them a huge round of applause. Actually, nitrogenous waste like urea, uric acid, and ammonia are mainly produced in liver due to the breakdown of proteins and amino acids. Urea is excreted out through the kidneys. And the next question goes to all the participants. How many molecules of ATP are gained during anaerobic respiration of one molecule of glucose? And the options are A. 36, B. 2, C. 38, D. 4. Okay, team C, you tap first on the bench. So I am repeating options once again. A. 36, B. 2, C. 38, D. 4.
Option B, 2.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Option B, 2, is the correct answer. Give them a huge round of applause. Actually, in anaerobic respiration, 2 ATP molecules are obtained from one molecule of glucose via glycolysis. In glycolysis, glucose is converted into pyruvate, and then this pyruvate enters into fermentation. This quiz has been completed. Now we are looking towards the score. Team A got 30 marks. Team B got 30 marks. Team C got 50 marks. So the winner of this quiz is Team C, Ankush and Rajesh. Give them a huge round of applause. My O goes to Vinod sir and Sunil sir because they had given me chance to conduct a quiz here. They are having an academy named Sark Academy Faral. They are providing tuition from class nursery to class 12. If you are interested, then you can contact to Sunil and Vinod sir. Okay, thank you so much. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel Student Kaksh.